The installation of artificial synthetic grass turf and sod is a great way to improve the aesthetics of your lawn, garden, or special event. What is synthetic grass? Artificial grass is a type of turf that looks and feels like natural grass. It's made from durable, high-quality materials that are designed to be low maintenance and pet-friendly. Costs for artificial grass installation. The cost of artificial turf installation will depend on the size of your lawn and the type of products you choose. We'll help you find the best options for your budget. The installation process is quick and easy with team step-by-step process at Better Than Real Grass. In this video you will be able to see a bit of the process of preparing the land to place the artificial grass. The result is a welcoming green space that requires very little maintenance. We'll help you find the perfect artificial turf for your home or business.